Hello, and welcome to this tutorial from the Harold L. Drimmer Library at Westchester Community College. In this video, we will consider 6 reasons to choose NoodleTools as your go-to research tool. Collect citations as you find potentially useful sources. With your NoodleTools account open on your device, create your citation while the source is open. When it comes to citing sources, when you find it, cite it. Create citations in any of 3 citation styles: MLA, APA, or Chicago. Choose the citation style that meets your project's requirements. Need to get back to an article, website, or video you're using for a project? Your citation includes a link back to the source. Just be sure the URL is saved in the citation. With your citation done, NoodleTools tells you how to create your in-text citations. If you import your citation from a library database, NoodleTools creates the in-text citation exactly as you need it for your paper. How and why is this source or this article useful to you? Use the annotation space in your citation to keep track of how you plan to use the source. Print your works cited or references page with or without the annotations. With NoodleTools, annotated bibliographies are a cinch. Print your works cited or references page to Microsoft Word, Google Drive, or as a text file. Include the annotations or not. Let NoodleTools take care of spacing, margins, and punctuation. NoodleTools formats it for you. That's all for now. Be sure to check out our other tutorials, and if you have questions, please visit us at answers.sunywcc.edu to get help from a librarian. And thanks for watching.